Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents in Word. We'll cover inserting a digital signature line, typing or drawing your signature directly onto the document, and understanding the significant benefits of using electronic signatures for improved efficiency. This process is straightforward and can save you a lot of time, making your document workflows much smoother and more professional. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, open your Word document and navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. Look for the text group, and there you'll find the signature line option. Click on it to open a dialog box where you can customize details like the suggested signer's name, title, and email address. This ensures your signature line is professional and clearly indicates who needs to sign. Once your signature line is in place, simply double-click on it. This action will open the Sign dialog box, presenting you with two primary options. You can either type your name, which Word will then convert into a digital signature, or, if you prefer a more personal touch, you can use a stylus or your mouse to draw your actual signature directly onto the line. Both methods are quick and effective. Embracing digital signatures offers numerous advantages. You'll save valuable time and resources by eliminating the need for printing, signing by hand, and then scanning documents back in. Electronic signatures also enhance document security and authenticity, often carrying the same legal weight as a handwritten signature for many agreements. It's a modern, efficient, and secure way to manage your paperwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.